This is Track 1, Quranic Reading Foundations, Level 1, Script and Sound, Lesson 1, Entering the System. Lesson objective. By the end of this lesson, you should understand that Quranic Arabic is a structured system, recognize the direction, nature and behavior of the script, mentally shift from random symbols to decodable writing system. So what we are interested in is developing a mindset reset. So on the screen, you can see some text. When most people look at the Quran, what do they see? They see lines, shapes, symbols, something unfamiliar. But what you are about to realize is this. This is not something mysterious. This is a system. And once you enter the system, everything begins to make sense. What is Quranic Arabic script? This is a system. The Quran is written in Arabic, but more specifically, it is written in a script. A script is simply a writing system, a way to represent sounds visually. Just like English uses A, B, C, Arabic uses its own set of symbols. So direction, first structural rule. As you can see on the screen, you see an Arabic text and you also see an English text. So English reads from left to right. Arabic reads from right to left. So now the first thing you must understand, Arabic is read from right to left. This is not difficult, just different. Your brain will adjust very quickly. Letters, not words. The Quran is not made of words first. It is made of letters. Every word you see is built from smaller units. These units are called letters. So what you are looking at is a structured combination of letters forming words. Now the key insight is letters change shape. You can see Arabic, two lines in Arabic. The first line is a plain text and the second I've highlighted certain letters in red. Now here is where Arabic becomes unique. In English, letters can also change their form. For example, we have uppercase and lowercase like A and A, capital A and small a, also called what we also refer to as uppercase and lowercase. Also, technically, it is called majuscule and minuscule. But we are so used to this that we don't even notice it. In Arabic, something similar happens, but in a different way. Instead of two forms, letters change their shape depending on where they appear in a word. The same Arabic text, now I have highlighted the position of the letters as it appears in the beginning, middle, and end of words, not the sentence, of words. So the same letter can look different at the beginning, in the middle, at the end. And sometimes a letter may appear by itself. But even then, it is still the same letter. Once you understand this, the script starts to make sense. Now, the concept of connected writing. You can see the Arabic text on the screen. Arabic is not written as separate letters like English. It is a connected script. Letters join together to form a flow. So instead of seeing A, B, C, you see a flowing structure. Now, what I've just said is not entirely true. This is true in English for print, but for handwritten, especially the cursive style, it is connected. And that is why I have highlighted the same sentence in the English, which is basically a translation of the Arabic text that you can see on the screen. The second line is a sort of handwriting cursive style. Here it is connected. So just as Arabic is connected, whether in print or in writing, in English we see the same phenomena in writing in cursive style. At this point, it is very important for us to remove the fear, the barrier. At this point, some people may feel overwhelmed. They think everything looks different. How will I ever read this? But the reality is very simple. There are only a limited number of letters and they follow consistent patterns. Once you learn the patterns, reading becomes natural. For example, you can see the letter meme. No need to be worried about what letter is it is. It is the equivalent of the English M, the M sound. You can see two occurrences on the screen in the Arabic, and it does look different. To highlight the same thing, I have written the text in English. The translation of the above Arabic need not be, it could have been any other example as well. And I've highlighted that M can change shape as well. So this is not a phenomena in Arabic alone. In English too, the same concept arises, just as we have seen with uppercase and lowercase letters forms, right? So again, I've highlighted M. I could have done it for any other letter because the meme is the equivalent of the English M. What we are not doing yet, this is important. In this track, we are focusing only on reading. So we are not going into grammar, meanings, deep rules. Right now, we are doing one thing only, learning to see, recognize, read. What comes next? In this track, we are focusing only on reading. So, from the next lesson onwards, we will begin with the actual letters. You will start recognizing them one by one and then as patterns. Okay, so today you have not learned letters yet. So probably you were expecting that we'll learn letters, lesson 1. No, not yet. But you have done something more important. You have entered the system. The Quran is not difficult to read. It only appears difficult before you understand the system.